everyone. So today we're going to be talking about how to set up and use online banking. I'm making online banking apps work for you. So online banking apps. In this day and age, almost every financial institution makes an app available to its customers. Online banking is more secure and advanced than ever. Physical barriers no longer keep you from doing things like making deposits or paying bills on time. Online banking can help you achieve some independence from caregivers or from your family. With a mobile device, cell phone or tablet, or computer, laptop or desktop, you can learn how to use the apps and websites easily and always be in control of your finances. The use of online banking. Check your bank balance at any time. You can pay bills and transfer money to other accounts faster. You can check any linked mortgages, loans, savings, or individual savings account. You can check your bank statements and go paperless. You can stop getting paper bills to you. You can set up or cancel direct debit or standing orders. You can check any investments you might have that are linked to your account, and you can deposit checks and e-transfer money. Where can online banking be accessed? It can be accessed anywhere that has internet connection. Generally speaking, online banking websites are protected using end-to-end strong encryption technology, but there are potential risks associated with using unknown and unsecured wireless Wi-Fi access points, such as scam public access recharging ports, often seen in public places such as airports. When in doubt, you can use your own data or wait until you have access to a trusted connection. So a tip is always use and maintain firewall and antivirus software on your devices. The pros of online banking. It's easy to set up and use. All you have to do is fill out a simple form online or download the app and follow setup instructions. It's pretty convenient. You can make most of your transactions using your mobile app or by visiting your bank's online platform. You can easily pay bills, deposit checks, and transfer money between accounts. There are lower fees as well. Online banks don't spend as much on branch maintenance, which means there tends to be lower fees. There are better interest rates. Online-only banks save on the overhead costs that come with managing physical locations. They redirect some of these savings to their customers by offering high interest rates on savings and term deposits. You can save time and be safe. With online banking, you don't have to wait in lines and risk exposure to infections. If you need assistance, you can reach customer service by phone. You can access it anywhere you are. It's very versatile. You can track your spendings and stay updated with your finances. Getting started. To find your bank or credit union's app or online banking website, do a Google search on your computer or go into the App Store, iOS or Google Play, Android, on your smartphone or tablet and type your bank/credit union's name in the search bar. Then download the app for free. Some information that you'll need. Your account numbers, member ID, email account, PIN numbers you may already have on the account. So to prepare, you can have a pen and paper handy to record passwords and take notes. Getting started. When you open your banking app, the first thing it should do is prompt you to log in. If you do not have online banking, you will have to go into your bank to set it up. Use your designated username or debit card number to log in. Each banking app will look somewhat different. This is an example of the Scotia Bank app. It may look something like this, with options to click on to see your account balances, credit cards, transfers, and bills. How can I deposit checks? Download your bank's app. Log into your account, then select the option to deposit a check. Take a picture of the front and back of your check. Confirm the details of your deposit. Store your check until it has cleared. Note: the process is secure and your financial information is not stored in your device. You may have to look around. In the first banking app, Scotiabank, the deposit button appears under the More button. But in TD app, it appears right when you go click into an account. To deposit, you will verify the account you want to deposit to. You will enter the amount on the check. You can take photos of the front and back of the check, then click or slide to deposit. How can I send e-transfers? Go to Transfers in your banking app. You may need to follow the instructions to set up your e-transfer profile. Tap Send Money or Transfer. Tap Recipient and select a previous recipient or add a new recipient. Select the From account. Type the dollar amount you want to send and tap Next. Type a security question with a one-word answer the recipient knows and tap Next. Then tap Confirm. Sending e-transfers in Canada. Look for the Transfer or Send Money option on your banking app. Nearly all Canadian banks participate in Interac, so you should see it on your list of options. You first will need to choose the account you want to send the e-transfer from. Select the recipient of your transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Search for and select a contact you already have added, or choose to add a new contact. You will provide their name and email address. Lastly, you will have to choose a security question and answer. You also have the option of adding a message along with the e-transfer. Then slide or tap to send, and it will send to the e-transfer link to your recipient's email address. Sending e-transfers in USA. Look for the Transfer or Send Money option on your banking app. Most US banks participate in Zelle. This works very similarly to the Canadian option Interac. You can select the Send option, and you will then need to choose a recipient. If you have never sent them before, you'll have to make a contact profile for them. Next, choose the amount you want to send. Choose the account you want to send from, then click Review. Lastly, you can list a reason that you are sending the funds and click Send. How can I receive an e-transfer? Tap the link in the notification message. Select your financial institution. Choose Mobile Banking app to deposit through mobile banking. Sign in to your mobile banking app. Choose Deposit to Account. When you see the security question, type the answer the sender gave you. Tap Accept, then tap Confirm. Accessing online banking sites. When you are accessing an online banking website, make sure your connection is secure. Tip: look for the HTTPS in the URL and look for the padlock icon. Things you can do to keep your personal information safe. Use encryption, antivirus software, firewalls, and patching, which is updating software for security flaws. Remember that most protections are low-tech. Tip: guard your own personal information closely. How to stay safe. Be suspicious whenever you are asked for things such as account numbers, PINs, social security numbers, passwords, and the like, no matter how legitimate the email looks or the caller sounds. The best rule to follow: if someone else initiated contact with you, never share sensitive data. Hang up, say no thanks, or delete the email. Always have a firewall and antivirus, anti-malware software running on your devices, and keep all your software up to date. Many of these antivirus and anti-malware programs are free and can be installed on all your devices. Online security. Banking online is probably the one activity that many people fear, simply because of the concerns around online security. What steps do banks take? Financial institutions are held to a high standard when it comes to protecting your money and personal identity information. Federal and state regulations require banks and credit unions to use multiple layers of protective security in their online banking system. Banks must make sure their banking platforms are safe and secure. What steps should I take? You also play a role in making sure that your financial information is safe. More banks are using security technologies that assess anything in your device that could make you vulnerable. It's still important to be sure that the devices you use for online banking are secure. Keep PINs secret. Customer service. All the major banks have staff on hand to walk you through online setup and use. They can help you learn the basics so you can bank in confidence. Tip: Give your local branch a call and ask for this service. Bank staff already have your account information handy, or they can look it up. Every transaction you do at the bank or with bank staff must be kept confidential. This is another layer of protection for you while you learn your banking app. Further resources. Good information to read up on and links to helpful videos and tutorials. A retiree online banking guide and steps how to make an account. Quick online banking tutorial. Quick demo of an online banking app similar to most online sites and apps. They all can be viewed through these websites. How to deposit a US check online, similar to most online sites and apps. How to secure your online bank account. Antivirus software for online banking. 4 online banking tools seniors are embracing. Thanks for listening. If you have any other tech-related questions, please go to www.cyberseniors.org to register to meet with a mentor for a one-on-one phone or web session, or call us at 1-844-217-3057. Thank you.